Okay, so I went and got these pulleys, just from Home Depot. These little clips, and then these things are. I found these in where you buy the closet, or sorry, the clothes rods, or not clothes.
Clothing lines.
Clothing. That's gonna attach that. This one, the top, because I'll just snap it into this clip. I'll just snap it into this clip, hopefully. Actually, let's take this out. And that goes there. Again. So then, what you're gonna do is you tie a carabiner to your rope, run through your pulling. This thing is really neat. Pull that out and you push. You gotta pop it in.
So it's designed for clothesline cable, and all you're doing is you're just basically
So,
using rope.
yeah, just basically. So I can pull the rope through that way, but you can't pull the rope through this way, unless you pull this plunger.
So it acts like a cinch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pull that through like that. And then to release that, pull that.
Cool.
So you're gonna attach your shade sail to this and then just pull it up.
So this is the complete piece that you would need to be able to, should you just leave it attached to your pole when you take your shade sail poles down.
Yeah.
And all you're doing is
So what you could do is for storage, like probably you just clamp that onto here, just so it's not swinging around.
and that's a good way to store it. Cool. All right, so we're gonna do 3 of these for the setup that we're doing.